Good morning everybody, how are you all doing? Got my cup of tea here. I'm going to mosey on down to the barn and I'm going to build some metal walls. No more chat, let's get on with it. La 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 la. Do do do. La la. Da, da, da. Ba, da, da, da. You have chosen to be the one. 2, 6, 7. ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. In the potentially fingers. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Ouch. Double ouch. Woof. Bum. Ba-da-ba-bum. Get out of it. Get out of town. It's going to be chunky fun. Mr. Sandman, dream me a dream. Ba 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 ba. Done?
I know.
Ah! Defeated ya.
You know what?
What?
I forgot. Very still the roof. I didn't finish.
Yeah.
So I do all the pieces for the roof. I enjoy myself.
Just been talking to Dan. I just, you know, if I built this in wood, I've been finished by lunchtime. Like, it's because this is only my second time ever using it, but I don't know, it's slow. Well, I am slow anyway. That's even things like this. Normally, you just put your pole in and get your hammer and tap up the wood. I don't have to do that. But I'm sure I'll get faster at it. I'm sure it will.
Yes,
Become an easier
at
thing.
the end you will be.
I mean, the benefit of it is that, you know, it's all there, it's all straight, and you know, there's no twists and stuff like that. But I'm the sort of sod that would spend 20 minutes like, no, and pull out all the good timber and build as much as anyway. I don't care. No shame in doing that. So I always end up with good bits of timber anyway. But yeah, it's the movement of it I don't. You know, you kind of put something in and then you kind of, yeah, I don't know how to explain, but like pulling a piece of timber around, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's been fun.
Yes. So normally you fit and you screw this one after.
You don't build a corner.
No. You do all your wall through. So you don't have just 15 mil to do the next one.
Okay.
But it's done.
Yeah.
This is fun.
But the problem is with that, yeah, then you're left with unbuilt things. Like that's see, that just doesn't make any sense to me, because you can't put your board in until you've done all your first fix. And then it's like, oh, actually now I've got to go back to building walls. No, you need to get all your walls built, all structural stuff done, and then first fix, and then board up. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess, yeah, one of them ones. But anyway, that can go there. And
I félicite.
You did what?
Je te félicite.
Félicite.
Yes. Greetings. Because you didn't forget to put all the things together. So if you want to run any cable or anything, you go through and not behind.
Oh, you mean I haven't screwed them together?
No.
Sorry.
If you want to...
I think I've just not understood what you said before start, mate. So start again. Facilitations?
No. Okay. It's just two greetings. Because some people don't forget there is holes and they put together and after we have to redrill through. We do the holes.
Do you mean that I've kept them paired?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I'm tired.
No. Sorry, because it was like a double negative. So some people
Yes.
don't forget, and I'm trying to work it out in my head a little bit.
Yes, you got it.
Yeah. Keep them paired. Yeah. Oh no, I was
I'm up since 5.
Yeah, brother. I feel you. I am. Oh no, come on, you just being weird. So this is why then. Just don't. I don't know. Like I said, I'm sure I'll get used to it, but at the moment I'm battling with this. This sort of thing. Little pour everywhere and Right, that's it.
No. You won't.
I know. Well, it's going to be okay at the top now. At least here, just bend down. Put it in. And to top it all off, because they're twinned, occasionally they're catching my beard.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy. Final day of the year tomorrow.
Yes.
Final day 2025.
For you. Yeah.
For me here, yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
But not
for both of us.
But not for work.
No. Okay. It took me all day. This is the second time I've ever used this metal stud. So, yeah, I'm quite slow at it. I think if I'd have made this out of wood, then I probably would have been done by lunchtime. But there are definite benefits to having it like this. So, yeah, worth it in the long run. Like anything in life, you just need to practice a bit until you get a bit faster at it. Anyway, I've got one more day of work and then it's Christmas Eve. So I'm going to see you guys soon.